Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining this session. So we'll wait for 2 minutes. Let others join. Thank you. Thank you once again for joining this session. So today I'm going to explain how we can enhance our engagement, customer engagement in who are landed in our website using Zoho SalesIQ. So we know, right? In a digital world, all are searching all are so before going to purchase a product or something, all are visited their also all are visited their website, so to know which product is best by comparing the website, by comparing the products price and all, right? So for that, whenever someone reach the website, we have to engage them proactively. So if we are doing this, and if we oversee the customer activities, based on that we can reach out to them, and through this we can increase our sales and services, right? So where Zoho Sales IQ comes in. So Zoho Sales IQ helps us to boost engagement and conversation with the customers who landed on the website, and using this we can provide 24/7 support uh, to the customer if they have any queries, by reducing the support load. And also we can provide actionable insights, so whenever someone landed on a website. So this, this is where Zoho Sales IQ comes in. So Zoho Sales IQ is a real-time customer engagement platform which has a live chat, AI-powered chatbots, visitor tracking, and analytics as a combination. That this combines with Zoho Sales IQ to enhance the customer engagement. So now we are going to see what are the key features in Zoho Sales IQ. So live chat support, visitor tracking and analytics, multi-channel communication, AI-powered chatbots, and integration with third-party app like Zoho CRM or help desk integration, customization and branding, lead scoring and routing, and mobile app support. These are all the major key features in Zoho Sales IQ. So we'll say one by one. So first one is live chat support. So in a real world, in this world, so all are going to have a live chat, a chat support. So everyone, when they landed on a website, they need to communicate uh, with the corresponding person before doing anything, right? So then we cannot be in the website 24/7, right? Instead we can have a live chat support. So if other than like, even though we have automated bots or something, person need to inquire about the product in person, but so not automated version, they need to communicate with the person directly. So for that, Zoho Sales IQ provide a live chat support. So using this, we can proactively trigger a chat based on visitor behavior. For example, if anyone land on a website, Zoho Sales in the Zoho Sales IQ platform, we can see how long they will be there in the website, and so on which page they are spending much time. So if you want to proactively chat someone, so based on their page visit, we can do it using live chat support, and we can proactively chat with that particular person, and we can ask them how may I assist you and what is their requirement. Using this, we can boost our sales, right? Next thing is visitor tracking and analytics. As I mentioned, so whenever someone landed on our website, we can see so how long we have a ring like structure. So based on the timing, we can get to know so how long they are visiting. So if they are in our website more than 30 minutes or something, definitely they are interested in buying our product, right? So using this way, we can analyze the person, and we can provide a if we have a multiple product product service. So if they are keenly observe a specific page for more than 30 minutes or something, then we can route a particular, we can route this chat to a specific person using this tracking analytics. AI-powered chatbots. So as I mentioned, for providing a 24/7 support, definitely we need a AI chatbots, right? So we cannot have a live chat all the time. So whenever any person visiting our website, we need to engage them. So even though the agent is not available, for that we have a dedicated AI-powered chatbots we can build by drag and drop the we build a drag and drop option, and we can integrate with CRM desk and provide automated responses, and we can have articles to share them. So for example, if you want to have a pricing code for a specific product, we can load them in SalesIQ, and automatically the bot will fetch and share it to the customer. So it will provide 24/7 assistance to customer. Next, multi-channel communication. Of course, we have nowadays all are reaching using multiple channels, right? So if we are reaching, they have reached through Instagram, WhatsApp, and all the channels they are trying to reach. So using Zoho SalesIQ, we can have a chat in a single tool, so we can integrate with the with the channels, and can get all the chats in a one platform, and can provide a can engage them in a single place. So instead of moving into a multiple platform, we are providing a support in a single tool itself. So this is a multi-channel communication feature available. And next thing is CRM and help desk integration. So for example, already this customer is our lead in Zoho CRM. Again, they are visiting for some other query, or they are already have a deal with us, and they are looking for a new product. Then if we have integrated with Zoho CRM, automatically we can get to know in the SalesIQ page itself, this lead or this deal is visiting the page, so that we can chat with them, and we can call them and ask so what's their requirement. Using this, we can provide a better support instead of searching the website. If we provide a knowledge about a product, then it will be more helpful, right? So the agent can initiate the sales process, and if they want any support, we can provide immediately. So already if they have we have a ticket for them, we can check. So for what's the issue, why they are raising a ticket. So if we are using chatbot for a service-based company, customer raised a query via chatbot, right? So every time they raised a chat, we have a chat list of chat features. If they raised a mail to our support desk, they need to know about the status of the ticket within within Zoho SalesIQ itself. We can click and see the status of the ticket, what's going on, what's the issue, what's the solution provided to the customer. Everything will be handled inside SalesIQ itself. Next one is customization and branding. So we can customize chat widget based on our website. For example, if you are running multiple companies, if multiple companies, you want to have a separate chatbot for each product. So we have dedicated page for each product in website. Need to have a separate chat flow for each brand. Definitely we can achieve this using Zobot feature in SalesIQ. And also we can set business hours and availability and departments. So using this, we can route the customers, and if the business hours is existing, if the business hours is more, if the person raised a chat after business hours, then we can provide a message that agent is not available, or else we can provide them customized messages, or based on their query we can send a template, send a customized message to them. Lead scoring and routing. So this is one of the best feature in CRM. So using this, for example, when we have a website, so in that website we have a product, we have a furniture company. One, if the person is continuously searching about the furniture more than 30 minutes and check the features, and if they click any particular feature, based on this input we can provide a scoring. So how much they have potential to buy a product. Based on it, the salesperson, instead of reaching out to all the leads received via chat, they can communicate with the correct person who's very potential. And also based on the product, if we have a departments in support, so finance department, sales department, support department, if the person is inquiring for a sales related things or support related things, based on the query we can route the charts to the corresponding department agents. So this is how the lead scoring and routing works. Mobile app support. So nowadays all are using mobile app. Without mobile app, we cannot do anything, right? So using mobile app itself, we can raise a ticket. And also no need to have a system or desktop. Using the by using mobile itself, we can engage the customer when they landed into the website. And we have a mobile SDK mobile app. Using this, the customer also reach out to us, and we also proactively engage with them, even though we are in wherever we are in. So the most important feature is AI powered chatbots. So this chatbot help us to automate visitor engagement, qualify and route leads, provide 24/7 support, and personalize responses using visitor data. For example, so when the visitor comes in, based on their visiting, based on their activities, we can provide a customized flow for them. Also we can create a chatbot with a low code builders, and this chatbot will be supported, multilingual support will be available. And also we can have a CRM and workflow automation based on the chat activity. For example, whenever a chat get initiated or chat get ended, if you want to create a lead in the CRM, we can do, and set a workflow automation for following up a task and assign the task to a sales executives. So similarly, we can have all this using the Zobot in Zoho SalesIQ. And also we can have a multiple Zobots, and we can embed it in a website based on our need. And these are the new features and new features available in Zoho SalesIQ. First one is multi WhatsApp business account support. So previously we can integrate with only one WhatsApp account. So if you are running more than if you are selling a more than 5 products or 5 brands, so we have a separate WhatsApp channel for each brand. Then now we can have a provision to integrate multi WhatsApp business account. Bot's final message. So we have a chat bot, right? In that, once the chat get end, if you want to provide a delay, so automatically when the chat get ended, the feedback option will be shown. So the customer might not able to see the end message. So if the end message contains any important thing, then need to provide, we can have a provision to have a some delay. So based on the delay time we'll set while creating a bot, the message will be shown. Then we have a feature of link list plug data type for dynamic links. For example, so we are in the flow, we are collecting some information from the customer. So based on the information, we need to show some URL. So for example, they need to fill a form. So in that form, already we have a question to get their name, email ID. So in the form also we have a that type of question. Instead of asking again, we can dynamically pause the message in the URL and share it with them. And also chatbot now support 30 languages. And also we have a flow based reports. So have instance, for example, for a single card, so name card, for a single card, so how many visitors are flowing through a particular flow. I'll show you in the upcoming session, so how it looks. So based on the flow we can check. So for example, we have a multiple flows in a chatbot, so how many of them reaching the complete flow, where the customer get disconnected, is they so what makes them to disconnect. We can, if the disconnect happen in a particular section or particular question, then we can get to know so what's happening, we can change the flow, we can improve the bot to provide a best customer support. Next one is WhatsApp templates. We can have a provision to add WhatsApp template and send it to the customer. And also bot flow analytics. So as I mentioned, so how many customer reaching the entire flow. So these are all the features available. And also SalesIQ going planning to release a Nova 25 in this they are going to release, these are all the features. Bot creation with customized templates, in the sense you no need to create a bot from the scratch. We have a customized templates for each and every industry. For example, hospital, e-commerce, everything we have a customized templates. No need to drag and drop and create a bot from a scratch. Instead of, we can select the industry, the bot flow will be there. We can edit or we can remove the code, or we can edit the code input, or we can add the code. So according to our wish, we can customize it and we can publish it. So this is one of the most important useful feature in bot. Next, we can get a concise chat and call summaries by Zia. So Zia is a Zoho A smart assistant. So while chatting with customer, so if you want to know, so they are sending a message like a paragraph, no need to have a time to summarize, go through it. We have a we have a concise short summarization, and using this the agent can quickly understand the customer query and can provide a better support. Similarly, we have a workflow automation based on bot input. For example, if they are selecting need to buy a product, so based on that, so we have option called need to buy a product, need a support service. We have options. If they select need to buy a product and select TV or washing machine, based on that input, we can set up automation. So it will send a mail saying that these are all the options available for TVs along with the price. If you want to do the automation like this, that is also going to happen for this feature release. So based on the bot input, the automation can be set up. Next, chatbot code assistance. So inside, while creating a bot, we can have a chat GPT code. Using this, so while the normal chat Zobot, while creating a Zobot, we can fetch articles and FAQs from the resources available in Zoho SalesIQ and inside the Zoho platform. If you are have integrated with ChatGPT, then we can have a ChatGPT code. Using this, we can search through OpenAI and provide the relevant content to the customer. Profile based access control. So as an admin, so I can restrict who can who can proactively initiate chat, who can end the chat, so who can have a summarize option. So they have a permission to route the chat. So similarly, I can restrict the access by using profile based control. Also, we have a voice calling feature in mobile app. So in mobile app itself, we can have a voice call with the customer to clarify their query. So instead of having a multiple conversation in chat, we can reach out to them via voice calling and provide an extension. So also we have a new integrations with two products, Zoho Begin and Zoho Lens. Using Zoho Begin, so whenever a customer raised a chat, so once they enter, we can create a customer in Zoho Begin and we can initiate a sales process and to make them a qualified potential lead. Also, we have a Zoho Lens. So, Zoho Lens is to provide a remote assistant. So, as a service-based company, if the customer wants to take control of the system, if the agent want to take control of the system, then only they can identify the solution, provide the better solution. Then, they, using Zoho Lens, we can have a remote assistant option. Also, Zoho SalesIQ extend to provide TV apps for displaying the reports. So how many chat initiated today, how many chat get ended, how many long running chat. So how long the person is visiting a particular website. So similarly, we can have a reports on big screen. So this app supported for both Android as well as Mac. So I'll just show you how Zoho Sales IQ work. Now, we are discussing about the what is Zoho Sales IQ and why, and what are the key features available. Now I'm going to show you so how the Zoho Sales IQ platform looks like, and how we are proactively chat with the customer. So this is the Zoho Sales IQ platform. Here we have a module called, this is the page. Here, if we embed, if we integrate our website with Zoho Sales IQ, we can see the visitors count here. So these are all the visitors currently visiting our website. So based on their visiting time, they will be moved from one ring to another. So these two are the person who is visiting more time. So 1 hour, 1 minute. So they are in the first ring. So if they are entering the website within a minute or second, then they will be in this ring. So based on that, we can check if we click this thing. So for example, if you are noticing they are in the website for more than 1 hour something, they are so they get to know they require some support from us. So we can see so what are the page they have visited, and what is their IP address. These details we can have. And also, if we have any active chat in the my chat session, we can see the chat, and in the chat option we can check all the active chat as well as closed missed chats for a website. So if you want to for example, if I'm checking this customer also longing for a the talking long time, so I can I can initiate the conversation with by initiating a chat. So hi, how may you assist you? Likewise, we can proactively active a chat so that in the website itself they will have a chatbot option. So this is the website. So this is how the chatbot looks like. So when they can initiate the chat by clicking this. Else, we can proactively engage them by initiating a chat in Sales IQ itself. Also, we have a reports. So if we have multiple brands, based on the brands, we have a total visits in our website, average visit duration. We can customize the month as well. So duration. So this is how the brand, and we have a operator performance session also. So how many active operators? What is the chat hours? What is it? So how many picked up chats, missed chats, closed chats, all the details, and also bot performance. Also, we have a performance based reports. We can have a canned replies and frequently asked question and articles to provide a better support when the person is chatting with when an agent is chatting with the customer. So we know, right, some of the frequently asked question we can feed into Zoho Sales IQ, and while creating a chat, we can provide them. We can fetch and give it to the customer. So instead of typing each and every time. And also in Zobot, we have an option to import and export. Previously, we don't have this option. So when you are building a chatbot, this is like a diagram. So instead of, if you want to replicate the same bot for some other product, so instead of creating from scratch, we can export it and we can import into the we can import and create a new bot. So this is the settings page. Here you can see the chatbot. So this is a chatbot. If you want to create a chatbot, you can click add. So this is the import option. You can import chatbot, then you can see the flow, complete flow. So if you click new and provide a bot name, and we have these building platform codeless bot builder sales IQ script and Zia. So if I click, so if we have a multiple brand, then it will ask so the brand, which brand this should be deployed. And if you so we can restrict department wise as well. So which are the channels needs to be supported for this part. Similarly, we can have a provision to select, and also we can restrict bot working hours. So when operators online, that time only the chat widget will be visible, or even though non-business hours, the chat bot will be working. So similarly, we can restrict it. Once we done all these things, and when we click create, this is the environment. Here we can create a bot. If we click, we have a response code, input codes, all the action codes here. So we can simply drag and drop and provide an input for creating an entire chatbot similar to this. And once you, so based on our need, we can customize. This is the input code. So with the options, we can customize the options based on our input, and we can create it. Once we done it, we can publish, and the code will be embedded wherever the website we need to embed this chatbot. So this is how the chatbot works. I'll show you, right. I'll show you. So we have a chat flow analytics. So this is how the chat flow analytics looks like. So it shows how many execution happen for this squad, how many get exited from the squad. So if they are out, for example, 5 persons, 5 person input this question. Out of this five, we can see so how many of them select first option, how many of them select. Using this, we can get to know so which option, which support is customer required more support for which product. Using this, we can enhance the support for the specific product. These are all the features available in Zoho SalesIQ. Using this Zoho SalesIQ, we can boost our customer engagement. Using this, we can provide better support. So I hope this session is helpful to everyone. So if you have any question, please let me know. I hope this session is helpful to you. Thank you for once again. Thank you for joining this. Thank you, everyone.